Welcome back to Quick Quiz TV. Think you know Gen Z slang? Prove it. What does DIY mean? Do it yourself. Next acronym. What does GOAT mean? Greatest of all time. Let's try another. What does LOL mean? Laugh out loud. Here comes another acronym for you. What does XOXO mean? Hugs and kisses. Ready for the next one. What does 6-7 mean? It doesn't mean anything, but it shows you're part of the in-group. Hit the subscribe button right now so you never miss a new quiz. What does TBH mean? To be honest. Number 7. Do you recognize this acronym? What does ASAP mean? As soon as possible. Acronym number 8. What does BTW mean? By the way. Next acronym. What does GIF mean? Graphics interchange format. Let's try another. What does IDK mean? I don't know. Here comes another acronym for you. What does POV mean? Point of view. Ready for the next one. What does DM mean? Direct message. Moving on to the next one. What does IMO mean? In my opinion. Number 14. Do you recognize this acronym? What does BRB mean? Be right back. What does ETA mean? Hit this like button if this level is too easy for you. Estimated time of arrival. Next acronym. What does ROFL mean? Rolling on the floor laughing. Let's try another. What does TBT mean? Throwback Thursday. Here comes another acronym for you. What does FOMO mean? Fear of missing out. Ready for the next one. What does NSFW mean? Not safe for work. Moving on to the next one. What does YOLO mean? You only live once. Do you recognize this acronym? What does TTYL mean? Talk to you later. Acronym number 22. What does BOGO mean? Buy one, get one. Next acronym. What does RSVP mean? Please respond. Let's try another. What does SMH mean? Shaking my head. Here comes another acronym for you. What does YW mean? You're welcome. Ready for the next one. What does GTG mean? Got to go. Moving on to the next one. What does ICYMI mean? In case you missed it. Number 28. Do you recognize this acronym? What does TBC mean? To be continued. Acronym number 29. What does WP mean? Well played. Next acronym. What does TNTL mean? Try not to laugh. Got a perfect score? Drop it in the comments. We read all of them. You made it to the end. Subscribe for a new daily quiz and pick your next challenge now.